So maybe you have just registered in a School Education Gateway Teacher Academy course, but you don't know how it is organized. I am Victor Perez from the Teacher Academy team, and in this video we will show you what the typical course timeline looks like so that you understand from the start what to expect and how to plan your time for the duration of the course. As you are learning online, it is important to plan your time in advance when you will be working on the course. To start with, let's clarify some general characteristics of the courses on the Teacher Academy. A course lasts a few weeks, usually between 3 and 6 weeks. They are organized into modules, and each week a new module is launched. Modules are always launched on a Monday. When you access the course, it's mostly up to yourself, except when there are specific deadlines or so-called live events. Each course has at least one deadline by when you need to finish all the work. Live events are scheduled at specific times when you need to be online. These are always optional. Now let's show you where you can find the relevant information of the course. We are going to see two possible scenarios, before the course starts and after the course starts. In the first scenario, you have enrolled in a course that hasn't started yet and you want to know when does it start, which are the modules, or how many weeks will the course run. That will be easy to find. At the home page of the course, on the right bar, we can find basic information of the course, like the starting date or the duration of the MOOC. On the left, you can read a summary and also the titles and links of the different modules we will be studying in the course. In the second scenario, the course has started. You enter the home page of the course and you can see on the right of each module badge and title when the module will be open. You'll see that before you can access module 1, there is an introduction module. You will have to go through it in order to access the other modules. This is the introduction module, you can see, and it includes a timeline. In the introduction module, we include an infographic with all the relevant dates, when modules are launched, deadlines of any activity, as well as the times of any live events. If you're from the old school, why don't you print it? However, we are here to innovate. We recommend to add into your digital calendar the different dates we mentioned in the infographic. Once the course starts, all participants will receive a weekly email with the announcements of the week. For example, which module will be open or which live events will be happening that week. If you miss any email, you can also always read these course announcements in the announcements section of the course, right here. You can see the last announcements that were done for this course, which you should have also received them in your inbox. The course will run for several weeks. The length will be different for the different courses, and after the launch of the last module, we will start what we call a grace week. So you can finish all the course activities before we start with a so-called blackout period. This blackout period happens after the final course deadline, and during this period the course will be closed for everyone. This is so that the course team can deal with any participant request, deal with any reported issues of activity submissions, and prepare the course certificates. At the end of the blackout period, certificates will be awarded to anyone who has successfully finished the course.
That's all from our side. I hope this video helps you to not miss any deadline, and if at any point of the course you're lost, remember to ask in the social media group, where the active community of the course will help you. See you at the Teacher Academy. Bye bye.